Welcome to this beautiful property in the heart of Miami Shores, just a few blocks from Biscayne Boulevard. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, fully renovated, and guess what? This is a corner lot with over 11,000 square feet of land, and just you wait until you see the backyard because it's huge. This property has over 2,200 of square footage on the interior and livable space. It has a circular driveway. It has a driveway on the other side, 2-car garage, so parking is definitely not a problem here. And it's turnkey. You just need it to bring in your luggage and your personal items and move in because it is absolutely ready. And by the way, I am Stefania Magallan, your local Miami and South Florida real estate agent. So if you are thinking to buy, sell, rent, or invest here in Miami or anywhere else in South Florida, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All my information is going to be here and also in the description box. Send me a text, send me an email, give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move. Now, without further ado, let's go and step into this incredible property in Miami Shores. Located in the sought-after Miami Shores, east of Biscayne Boulevard, this property offers a prime location with a generous lot and top-rated school zoning. Just blocks from Biscayne Bay, it provides easy access to water activities, and it's only 5 minutes from Miami Shores Village Bayfront Park. The quiet, tree-lined neighborhood is close to parks, cultural attractions, and dining options with a short commute to downtown Miami, Miami Beach, and Miami International Airport. Top schools like Cushman and Miami Country Day are minutes away, making it ideal for families seeking peaceful living near vibrant city amenities. Stepping into the interior of the home, we are met with a bright, expansive living area designed to inspire both relaxation and social gatherings. This room boasts wide windows that flood the space with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere throughout the day. The large windows also offer stunning views of the surrounding greenery, bringing the beauty of the outdoor space inside. The open concept layout seamlessly connects the living room to adjacent spaces, enhancing the flow and maximizing usability. The light color flooring complements the room's spacious feel, while the high ceilings and neutral walls provide a clean, modern canvas that can easily be adapted to any style. Now, let's talk about space and light. Look at this open space design. Everything connects. Dining room, kitchen, living room, foyer entrance. Look at this. If I walk all around, you're going to see it's a true 360 design. Open space, windows on both sides. Right there is the entrance. Right here are both bedrooms, which you're going to see in a minute. And look at these incredible windows. Light. This is the best definition of a bright space. Now let's step into the kitchen. One of my personal favorite places, not because I cook, but because I love food. And I love this kitchen because it has plenty of cabinets. The way they design this kitchen is that they take advantage of all the spaces, even inside the corners. High-end appliances, coffee machine, dishwasher, and the stove are all brand new, ready for you to move in. And what I also love is that you have a window. I love bright spaces, and having a window in your kitchen, for me, it's really, really nice. It has a sleek and modern design with both functionality and style in mind. The light color cabinetry paired with elegant gold hardware creates a clean and contemporary aesthetic. Ample counter space is available for meal prep, highlighted with pristine quartz countertops that complement the minimalistic design. And the window, like I said, adds a warm and inviting atmosphere. Whether you're preparing daily meals or hosting guests, this thoughtfully designed kitchen, including the island, offers a practical and beautiful space for all your culinary needs, and at the same time connect with the rest of the common areas of the house. Perfect for entertainment. Now, this is the master bedroom, and as soon as you walk in, you're going to have a very spacious closet to the right and 3 windows on each wall. Let's talk about bright. Let's talk about natural light. This is the master bedroom that offers that. With enough room to comfortably fit a king-size bed, this room offers ample space for relaxation and personal comfort. The recessed lighting throughout creates a modern, streamlined look while ensuring a bright and inviting space. The 3 large windows facing the backyard enhance the tranquil vibe and offer peaceful views of the greenery outside. Whether you're looking to unwind or enjoy the privacy of your own little retreat, this bedroom provides the perfect balance of space, light, and serenity. Walking into the master bathroom, here we have double vanity, double sink space for a couple with gold faucets, gold touches, and plenty of cabinet space under each sink. Love the bohemian aesthetic, the spa aesthetic, the mixes of textures throughout the entire bathroom. As you can see, in the shower, they mix 2 different types of stones, as well as in this wall right behind the mirror. Indulge in a spa-like experience. The spacious walk-in shower offers both style and functionality. The large rainfall double shower head creates a relaxing rain-inspired flow, while the handheld option provides added convenience for customizable shower experience. The texture walls and natural stone-like tiling add a touch of elegance, while the frosted window allows natural light to gently filter in, maintaining privacy. Every detail in the shower has been thoughtfully designed to enhance your comfort and elevate the overall bathroom experience. Now, one of the interesting designs that they have here is that by the entrance, you walk in one of the smaller bedrooms, right here, and then the bathroom connects to the other second bedroom. Look at this. Bathroom, other bedroom. So I love this design because it's a smaller bathroom, but it is shared and it is very convenient to access to it through both bedrooms. Now, let's talk about a spacious backyard. Look at this size of a backyard, all fenced, all private. You're not going to have any neighbor looking at what you're doing. Plenty of space to put all the ideal furniture, the entertainment for you, for your family, for your kids. Look at how big this is. If I run all the way, I am in high heels, so I cannot even reach the end. This is the ideal backyard. And remember, you are in a corner lot. So you have plenty of space, no neighbors anywhere to be found. And you can even plant your own trees, your gardening and everything. Look at this. Well, it's obvious that this backyard offers endless possibilities. It is also very important to mention that you can put your own pool in your backyard and still have plenty of space to put outdoor furniture and even a pergola if you decide. Lastly, but not less important, the 2-car garage that offer ample space for 2 vehicles and extra storage. Here, you'll also have the laundry area, and the best, it has a half bathroom for your convenience. And this has been all for today's tour here in Miami Shores. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite and least favorite part of this house. Remember, my name is Stefania Mogollon, so if you're interested in this house or any other property in Miami and South Florida, whether you want to buy, sell, invest, or rent, do not hesitate to reach out to me. All my information is going to be here and also in the description box. Send me a text, send me an email, give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move.